They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, okay. Detox your life with itstheg.com. G gang, where you at? Holla back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl G here, and the reason I'm making this video today is because I want to tell you about this habits that I have been forming. So it's life-changing, and I'm so grateful that I actually did it. I actually had the discipline and the fortitude to make changes in my life. And that is why I'm doing this channel, is because I want to share with you my journey, my health and wellness journey, because I'm learning so much about myself. And when it comes to health and wellness, when it comes to just being healthy and at our best selves, it's more than just physical, but it encompasses the mental and the spiritual as well. And all these things have to be in an alignment in order for us to truly make it out here in this world and to make it to that next realm that we are ascending to. And if you don't know what I mean, just kind of do your research, because as you know, the world is going through a shift right now. Things are changing. And we're kind of entering into new dimensions, into new levels of reality. And only the ones that have strengthened themselves at a certain level are going to make it into this next dimension, into this next reality. Because I don't know if you heard of that saying that, you know, many are called, but only a few are chosen, because only a few choose to listen. So which one do you choose to be? And so I've been going through this healing journey, this healing path. And before I even begin, I just want to say, click that subscribe button, because we are in this together. We're going to be journeying together. And I want you to follow along with this journey, because like I said, there's so much information to it. I'm learning a very lot, and I know that we can help each other. So click that subscribe button, because I got some real good stuff for you. But the reason I'm making this video today is because I have been going through this path of healing. And I never realized the depths of healing that I have needed. Like, I was thinking I was good, you know, but as I keep finding new things about myself, I'm like, wow, I never, like, my eyes just keep getting opened. And if you look at a couple of videos that I did, it was about my marijuana habit. I used to smoke weed a lot, and I didn't realize that it was creating such a major fog in my mind. I was thinking that it was actually putting me on an elevation to where I was in a certain level of consciousness, but yet I wasn't. It was like a false kind of reality in a sense, because it was causing a lot of anxiety within me, but I was thinking that it was helping it, but not realizing that it was actually the cause of a lot of things that I was going through, because it was blocking a lot of clarity that I could have had within myself. And so when I stopped doing that habit, things have gotten a lot clearer, and things in my life have gotten a lot better. And the way that I stopped was I challenged myself. I said, I'm going to do this 30-day challenge. I have this dry erase board, and it's like a calendar, and I just added check marks to the calendar. I was like, all right, day 1, no smoke. Day 2, no smoke. All the way until I got to 30 days, because as you know, it takes 30 days to build a habit, and when it comes to marijuana, it takes 30 days for it to completely get out of your system. So that's why I did that 30-day challenge. But I didn't want to stop there. I didn't want to stop with the marijuana habit. I didn't want to say, okay, well, all right, well, did that 30-day. I wanted to push myself into building more healthier, more successful habits. And so now my new thing is that every 30 days, I'm going to present a new challenge for myself to build some kind of a successful habit. So just recently, I did this apple a day challenge. And the reason why I chose to do an apple a day challenge is because I wanted to eat more fruits. I wanted to start eating more healthy and really get on that path. And so I was like, okay, so what can I do? Like, how can I be more healthy? Like, it's not going to be realistic or for me to say, okay, let me eat a cucumber a day. Or let me eat something that I don't really want to eat a day or necessarily want to eat every day. So I was like, what do I have? I have a lot of apples, and apples are easy to get. Apples, you can go anywhere and get a freaking apple. Like, and they're seasonal. Like, they're not seasonal. You can get them throughout the year. So that's the easiest thing, and they're sweet and they're good. So let me get apple. So I challenged myself. I was like, okay, so every day I'm going to eat an apple because, like they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So when I started that journey, I started on a Sunday. And I was like, okay, that's easy, too easy, check off my list. But as I kept going, what I started to realize was, all right, because it was in my head. It's circling in my head, eat healthy. That's why I'm doing the apple a day challenge. And so I kept going. I kept thinking like, you know what? I want to start just eating healthy in general. And I have a friend who is who I'm working with. He's kind of like my accountability partner, and he's doing a really cool things. He's doing this Dr. Sebi diet. Shout out to Chunta Ankh. Check out his page. He's doing this Dr. Sebi diet, in which he's going really in. And Dr. Sebi is very about, clearing out the mucus and stuff. So if you want to know more about that, check out his page. But I was thinking about doing that with him. And I was like, okay, if I'm going to do this apple a day challenge, then I might as well just, hop on board and do the Dr. Sebi challenge. But like I said, I had to be realistic with myself. So I was like, I don't know if I can be that strict with Dr. Sebi because there's a lot of restrictions. And I just wanted to develop a habit. And so instead of doing Dr. Sebi, that's when I did the 7-day vegan challenge. And so what I discovered with the apple a day was that it led me on this path. It led me on this lifestyle change of just wanting to eat more healthy. And in this lifestyle change of wanting to be more healthy, I've discovered new things about my body that I didn't know, new things about my digestive system that I didn't know, and more things about how to really detox and cleanse and flush out my system that I didn't know. And not only didn't I know, but I did not know were so important to my overall vitality and to why I was stuck in a sense, like stuck in a place. And so it really has been a very fun journey. It has not been too strict at all. And I'm seeing how easy it is. And so what I challenge you to do is to do some type of a 30-day challenge. Get you a calendar, get you a like I said, I have a dry erase board, but it's with the calendar month. Get something like that and find something a habit that you want to build, some kind of successful habit, healthy habit, or something that you've always wanted to strengthen within yourself, and challenge yourself to do a portion of that every day. So like I said, mine was to just eat healthy. I just wanted to eat healthy. So instead of challenging myself to say, okay, every day eat healthy and I'm gonna do this for 30 days, I picked one healthy food. I was like, okay, a fruit, an apple, I'm gonna eat that one time a day. And I just challenged myself to do that, to change an entire habit of just overall eating healthy for life. And so I challenge you to find something that you want to strengthen within yourself. Please comment below, what is something that you do want to change about yourself? What is something you want to strengthen yourself that you have been saying, okay, this is what I want to try, this is what I want to do, but I just can't seem to get there. And I challenge you to do that. Start today. Or start at the beginning of a week, or start at the beginning of a month, but just start. Don't waste any time. Start changing now. And then what you're going to see is a pattern start to develop within you that's saying, okay, if I can conquer that, because like I said, it's all mental. If I can conquer that, I can conquer this and I can conquer that. And what I'm realizing on my board is that what started off as 1 check mark, okay, an apple a day, ended up being 3 more check marks because I started just checking off other type of habits that I wanted to build, other things that I wanted to make sure that I kept doing. And so it's kind of my accountability board now. And so my mindset is like definitely changing. My spirit is actually growing and getting stronger. And I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful for life right now. So let me know, like I said, let me know down in the comments, what is something that you want to change about yourself? What is something that you would challenge yourself today to do? And I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on my social media accounts, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And check out the blog as well as the podcast that's available every Friday. And there will always be a new video here every Monday for you. So check me out, itstheg.com. Rock on. All right, so the supplement of the week is ashwagandha. Yes. So with ashwagandha, you can get this as a tincture. You can get this as a natural herb. You can get it as powder. You can get it in capsule form. There's many ways to take ashwagandha. And what ashwagandha is an adaptogen. So therefore, if you especially dealing with this world, you deal with a lot of stress. And your stress levels kind of go up here. And if you eat a lot of drink a lot of caffeine, take a lot of caffeine, your stress levels your adrenal levels might be too taxed. And what ashwagandha does is help support that. It helps balance that. And what this says, supports energy, vitality, and stress management. So try out some ashwagandha, especially if you are super stressed or live in a stressful environment. It definitely keeps you nice and calm and relaxed. I know it has definitely helped me. And yes, that's how I take my tinctures. They're very strong. Some people like to mix them in water, but I'm a G. I like to take them straight from the bottle. Detox your life, spirit, mind, body with itstheg.com.